How to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search. So go ahead and open Snapchat. Click on the plus icon on the top right corner. And just for reference, in here I will type in a random name. Now don't click on this add friend because if you tap on this, the added by search will appear on their profile. So just click on that user's Bitmoji, and if you tap add friend here, it will just show added by username. Another way you can do this is to take note of this username, user00582949, and you can make a friend send this to you. Or if you don't have no one to tell this, you can just use another account to do this. And if you add friend by clicking on the username, it will just show added by mention. So that is how to add someone in Snapchat without saying added by search. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.